Hello, today in this video I am going to be reviewing the Sudotack ST-800. I've been seeing a lot of reviews on YouTube, so I decided to give it a try. This video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money just to test it out, and I want to have multiple microphones in my setup. Now let's unbox this thing. Fresh out of the box. So this is the Sudotack ST-800. This is the USB condenser podcasting microphone set. If we look in the back, we have some specifications here. This is the desk mount, the shock mount, and it basically tells you where the parts go. Also the frequency, and this is the popular response. So anyway, we're gonna get into that. So let's open it. So this is what we have. Here we have the user manual. Okay, we can get to that later. We have the phone, microphone, phone. Okay, let's put that here. Here we have the, I guess this is a pop filter, what they call it, pop filter. Take this out of here. And here we have sort of like the meat of the product. So in this section we have this piece is to protect the microphone from bumping into it or transmitting the sound when you touch it or any movement. Here is this is the seat clamp, and you clamp it to your desk. Okay, just clamp it to your desk. Also, you have the cable that attached to a microphone. This is the arm, the boom arm. It's kind of a solid, sturdy. It's not as heavy duty as I thought. It's a little maybe hollow, but I guess it's gonna do the job once we install it. Okay, and here's where you connect the microphone. So then here is the actual microphone. Okay, here's the actual microphone, and it is just a simple microphone. Doesn't have any buttons or connection here. Based on what I was reading, you speak directly onto this area where the Sudotack name is. So it's a little heavy, not as heavy as I thought, but a good weight. So it's doesn't feel like it's cheap. Okay, so let's set this up and give it a try. Okay, I have the microphone set up on my computer. I'm going to test it now. Right now, the audio that you're hearing is from my Synco G2 wireless microphone. And now I'm going to switch to the computer and test the microphone. Okay, I'm in Audacity right now. I would skip that for now, the update. And let's see if I can select the microphone from here. So the recording device, it's going to be microphone USB condenser micro, and I'm just going to test it out right now. It's a little further away from me, but at least for now, let me see how that is going to sound, right? So I'm going to press the record button. And 1, 2, 3 testing. This is a test. I'm testing the Sudotack Condenser Microphone I picked up on Amazon based on a few reviews. Right now I'm in my basement and the furnace just came on, so I hope that this is going to be a good test to see if you can hear it in the background. Yes, based on the signals here in Audacity, I know that you can hear it. But this is a test. 1, 2, 3 testing. And 1, 2, 3 testing. This is a test. I'm testing the Sudotack Condenser Microphone I picked up on Amazon based on a few reviews. Right now I'm in my basement and the furnace just came on, so I hope that this is going to be a good test to see if you can hear it in the background. Yes, based on the signals here in Audacity, I know that you can hear it. But this is a test. 1, 2, 3 testing. So based on the test, it has a good solid sound. It's full. Doesn't sound echoey, even though I'm like maybe what I would say 6 inches away from the microphone. It sounds very good. I am pleased with it. I mean, this is my first time just testing it. This is just straight out of the box. There's no filters going on. I'm in Audacity right now, so Audacity is recording this audio, and then we're gonna see how it's gonna sound in OBS. Let's take a listen. Okay, right now I am testing in OBS. As you can see, I can monitor the audio. It sounds full. It sounds very good. And right now there are no filters going on. This is, as I said, straight out of the box. I'm pleased with it. Because the microphone is not that close to me, I don't hear the pop and the pop, all that. But we'll see how it's gonna sound with the filter on. Here I am back in OBS recording the audio with the pop filter on and see how it sounds. Right now, because I'm monitoring, I cannot tell the difference, but I hope that you will notice a little difference. 1, 2, 3 testing, 1, 2, 3 testing. I think I like it without that filter because then you won't be able to see my mouth. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What if I move it closer? Let's see. 1, 2, 3 testing, 1, 2, 3 testing, testing. I am testing the Sudotack ST-800 in OBS. So let me finish the video with my final thoughts on the Sudotack ST-800. Based on what I've heard so far, it is great. It has a good warmth, sound, solid. It has a deep sound, right? So it's not that echoey, but it sounds great. It sounds great. Right now my furnace is off, so I hope that the audio now is clearer than before. But it is great. I mean, I'm not sure if you can hear. If I touch it, you know how you're gonna hear the sound on your recording because it looks like it's very light. It's not heavy duty, so any tap, this thing is going to pick it up. So just be mindful of that. So the price on this, I don't remember right now, but I'll make sure that I'll put it in the description if you'd like to pick it up. This video is not sponsored. This is just a review that I saw on YouTube, and I wanted to give it a try. Thank you for watching, and be well.